hopi está mucho hopi. Ahora tiende a ver con salud. Cualquier cantidad de alcohol no tiene consecuencias tan fuertes. Y mientras nos tiene más edad, está afectándonos de diferente manera.
First of all, your muscle mass goes down as you get older, and as a result, you're not going to metabolize alcohol as quickly as you used to.
De dos puntos, con alcohol te afecta a un adulto diferente, te pasó en función de higra, te comienza a disminuir mientras más años pasa. El alcohol no tiene un impacto grande tiempo curva.
65% of fatal falls, especially in the elderly, are in some way associated with alcohol. So falls are a huge problem, especially in the elderly. Alcohol can exacerbate that, especially if you don't realize that it's affecting you more strongly than it used to.
Bebida sin alcohol está ganando popularidad, por la que personas disfrutan una experiencia similar.
Important caveat, non-alcoholic can still mean small amounts of alcohol, up to 0.5%. So if you're trying to stay absolutely abstinent, you got to make sure to read those labels.
Fabiola Angela Hernandez, para Noticia.